just learned how to make a diffuser blend to make my home smell just like Christmas. Let's make this Sugar Plum Fairy diffuser blend so that your house can smell just like the nutcracker. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because the making is healing. So let's get started with this month's recipe. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to use your essential oils. That's why with the gift-giving themed box, you'll have everything that you'll need to make these recipes. Or you can head to our website to get it there. Let's get started with this recipe. First, you're gonna wanna grab your November recipe box, as well as your big bonus box. You're gonna find your recipe that you wanna start out with, and then you're gonna check your recipe card to see what you're gonna need from your recipe box. So this one looks like we are going to use winter spice, lemon, spearmint, as well as nutmeg. And from your big bonus box, you are going to grab one of your 5 milliliter bottles. Let's get started. All right, for the diffuser blend, there are 2 ways that you can utilize this blend. You can either make the blend, put it onto a diffuser or one of the diffusers on our website, or if you absolutely love the blend, you can make a master blend. I'll show you how to put it onto the diffuser first, and then we'll make a master blend together. So the first essential oil you're gonna wanna put on your diffuser is spearmint. So 2 drops of spearmint, 2 drops of lemon, 1 drop of nutmeg, and 3 drops of our winter spice blend. It smells like a Christmas tree and it's gonna smell amazing on here. As I already knew, I absolutely love this blend, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a master blend of it. So this is where you're gonna use your 5 milliliter roll-on bottle. You're gonna take your orifice out. I'm gonna use a funnel because I'm super messy. And we'll start adding our essential oils. You'll want 51 drops of the winter spice, 33 drops of lemon, 16 drops of nutmeg, and 33 drops of spearmint. All right, now I'm gonna put my orifice back into my bottle. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shake to get all of the oils evenly incorporated. Put my lid on, and now I'm gonna look for my label. Ta-da! And the master blend's all set. You can make this too. I absolutely love this diffuser blend. It makes me think of Christmas and get into the Christmas spirit, and I'm so excited for you to be able to try it. I'd love to see all your creations on social media, so go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis so that I can see all of your lovely creations. If you want to turn your essential oils that are just sitting on your shelves into natural recipes just like this, go get your Simply Earth recipe box.